Hello, you're joining us from a packed Smart Factory Expo Day 1. As you can see from the view behind me, the stands are packed, great conversations going on the exhibitor stands, queues around the block waiting to get in this morning. It's also been standing room only at the various theatres around the exhibition floor. If you've not made it to Smart Factory Expo Day 1, there is still time to register for Day 2, 17th of November. Go to www.digitalmanufacturingweek.com for more details. Hope to see you on Day 2.